Inabot tayo ng 6 na oras. By the way, ito ang ebidensya, natapos na tayo. Alright, today is May 9. Ngayon ang araw that every Filipino will cast their vote for the next leader of our country. So, I'll be going with my wife. Although we realize online, parang na-deactivate kuno ang kanyang account. But, we're gonna check sa precinct mismo for a final confirmation. So, punta tayo doon. So, a very long time, nagkasabay kami ni Chay sa aming lakaw na kami lang dalawa. So, we're looking forward for this day. And hopefully, nandun lang yung pangalan ng aking minamahal sa listahan sa COMELEC. So kanina, tinignan ko yung pangalan namin dalawa kung nandoon sa presinto, but I only found my name. So at the moment, pinapunta ko muna si Chay doon to check basic nalis lang na ako. But I'm really hoping that her name was on that list.
Yet, after my wife's meticulous search and inquiry, our concerns were confirmed that her voter status was indeed deactivated and that she would have to wait after this election to correct this with COMELEC. With that, she had no other choice but to return home, leaving me to endure this line for hours on my own. Until finally, I am at the doorstep of my voting precinct.
Lapit na! And we just finished our vote. Natagalan tayo sa loob. Pumasok tayo ng mga alas 10:30. Rather, pumunta tayo dito sa presinto mga alas 10:30. At ang oras ko ngayon here is 4 o'clock. Nakikita niyo yan? Ganun katagal. 6 hours. Amazing. Anyway, uwi na tayo. So anyway, salamat sa Ginoo natapos na rin.
In spite of enduring almost 6 hours of queue before being able to cast my vote, I am grateful that there were no breakdowns or violence in our precinct. I almost lost my voter's ID, but thankfully I was able to recover it. Grateful indeed for the watchers na naadito. Not being able to eat my lunch was just a small price to pay when I am fulfilling my duty to the nation where God made me to be a part of. Now, overall, the experience is worthwhile. By the time that you've seen this video, most likely na-declare na yung winner. So our next responsibility as Christians and as Filipino citizens is to pray for our duly elected leaders and to support them in their path to improve this nation. As Romans chapter 13 puts it, there is no authority on earth that God did not allow to happen. They may not be all believers and would certainly have the flaws of a human being. Nevertheless, they are God's servants to establish social order and execute justice. So let's continue to honor and support them for God's glory. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Kung nagustuhan mo naman yung video, bigyan mo naman ng like dyan sa baba. And paki-subscribe na rin kung hindi mo pa nagagawa. So until next time, this is Ron, ang inyong ka-rendezvous.